In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but we will see more precisely via. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So, this lesson is about via. And the preposition via in French is similar to its English counterpart, meaning through or by way of. So we'll see 4 examples with via. J'ai envoyé le document via email. J'ai envoyé le document via email. Vous pouvez acheter les billets via leur site web. Vous pouvez acheter les billets via leur site web. Elle a partagé les nouvelles via un texto. Elle a partagé les nouvelles via un texto. Nous irons à Paris via Bruxelles. Nous irons à Paris via Bruxelles.